I love me some tequila.
Hey everybody, Stephanie Jackson here from dailyappetite.com, and today we are going to make my favorite skinny margarita. So first thing you need is a shaker full of ice, which I already have, and a glass full of ice as well. We are going to be using Patron Silver. I think Patron Silver makes the best margarita. So let's go ahead and put 1.5 ounces in the shaker. And if it's more than 1.5 ounces, don't worry, I won't tell anyone. And then we're just going to do 1/2 ounce of Cointreau. You know what? I need to go get my limes. Go get those here in a second. But what's really important here is the margarita mixer. So when you're on a diet and you don't want to give up cocktails and you don't want to sacrifice flavor, go with the Master of Mixes Margarita Mixer Lite. Make sure it says Lite on it. This is the best mixer. This is not sponsored by Master of Mixes. I have worked with them in the past, and it's only because I love them. So we want to put 3.5 ounces in our shaker. We're just going to shake this up, and when you shake it, you want to shake it until your shaker gets all nice and frosty. That way you know your cocktail is going to be really ice cold. So let's give it a shake. Okay, it's nice and frosty. You can probably see where I drug my finger across. And we're going to strain into the glass. What's really important this next step, I gotta go get my limes. So give me 1 second to go get my lime. Okay, I'm back. So what I did was I cut a lime in half and then cut the half into fourths. So I have a wedge right here. And I'm just gonna spray that juice, squeeze it to have the juice over the top. And then I'm just gonna garnish with a slice of lime. And that is my favorite skinny margarita. I